Welcome back to Smart Money 101. If you've ever thought investing was too complicated, too risky, or just for financial experts, this video is going to change your mind. Today, we're diving deep into how artificial intelligence is transforming the world of investing, making it simpler, smarter, and more accessible than ever before. We'll explore the best AI-powered investing tools, how predictive analytics work, and how beginners can use these innovations to start building wealth today. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Smart Money 101, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our weekly videos on personal finance, investing, and money management. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is changing everything, and investing is no exception. Until recently, AI was mainly used by big banks, hedge funds, and professional traders. But now, these same technologies are available to everyone, even beginners. Artificial intelligence can process massive amounts of data, recognize hidden patterns, and make investment decisions faster and more accurately than any human could. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't panic, and it doesn't make emotional decisions. Instead, it analyzes market data, company performance, and economic trends to identify opportunities and risks. This means AI can help investors make smarter, data-driven decisions. Imagine having an assistant that constantly studies the market for you, learns from every result, and helps you adjust your strategy in real time. That's what AI is doing right now in the world of investing. Let's look at how this works in practice. The most common example of AI investing today is something called a robo-advisor. Robo-advisors are digital platforms that use algorithms to build and manage your portfolio automatically. You simply enter your goals, your time horizon, and your risk tolerance, and the AI does the rest. Some of the most popular ones are Betterment, Wealthfront, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, and Sophie Invest. These platforms use advanced algorithms to select diversified investments, monitor market conditions, and rebalance your portfolio automatically. They also help reduce costs because there's no need for expensive human advisors. The best part? You don't have to constantly watch the market or try to time your trades. The AI continuously analyzes data and adjusts your investments to keep you on track with your goals. Think about it this way: traditional investing often relies on emotions. People buy when they're excited and sell when they're scared. But AI doesn't have emotions. It follows data. That means fewer mistakes and more consistent decisions over time. By removing human bias, AI can help beginner investors avoid the classic pitfalls that lead to poor results. Now, let's talk about one of the most fascinating aspects of AI investing: predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is when AI uses past data, current market trends, and even real-time information to estimate what might happen next. It's not about guessing, it's about probabilities. The AI looks at millions of data points like stock prices, earnings reports, social media sentiment, and economic indicators to identify early warning signs or potential opportunities. For instance, it might notice that a certain industry is gaining attention or that investor sentiment toward a company is improving before prices start to rise. That gives you an edge. Of course, AI can't see the future, but it's excellent at spotting patterns that humans often overlook. Think about all the information available today: financial news, company updates, global events, and social trends. It's impossible for one person to keep up with it all, but AI can process it in seconds. That's how predictive analytics can help make smarter investment decisions. So how does AI use all this information to build a strategy for you? The answer is personalization. In the past, investment advice used to be one size fits all. But with AI, every portfolio can be tailored to the individual, Based on your goals, income, and risk level, AI platforms can design a unique plan that fits your needs perfectly. Some even connect directly to your bank account to analyze your spending and saving habits, so they can recommend how much you can realistically invest each month without hurting your budget. This is game-changing for beginners. You don't have to guess how much to save, where to invest, or when to rebalance. The AI guides you step by step. For example, if you tell a robo-advisor that you want to retire in 25 years, it might automatically create a portfolio of index funds and ETFs with an appropriate level of risk for your age and goals. As time goes on, it will gradually shift your investments towards safer assets, like bonds, to protect your returns. The entire process is automated but personalized to your financial situation. Another great advantage of AI investing is accessibility. You don't need a lot of money to get started. Many AI-powered platforms allow you to begin investing with as little as $10 or $20. That means you can start building wealth even if you're just getting started or working with a tight budget. The idea is to build good habits early and let the AI handle the technical side while you focus on being consistent. Now, let's talk about the risks and limitations. Artificial intelligence is powerful, but it's not magic. It relies on the quality of the data it's fed. If the data is biased or incomplete, the AI's predictions may also be off. Financial markets are influenced by unpredictable events, politics, natural disasters, and sudden global shifts. Artificial intelligence can adapt quickly, but it can't foresee every surprise. That's why it's important to understand what your AI platform is doing and not rely on it blindly. Here are a few key points to remember. First, always diversify. Don't put all your money into one stock or one type of asset, even if the AI recommends it. Second, review your portfolio regularly. Artificial intelligence is a great assistant, but you're still the investor. Check your progress and make sure your investments align with your long-term goals. Third, keep learning. Understanding the basics of investing will help you get the most out of AI-driven platforms. So, how can you start investing with AI today? Here's a simple step-by-step plan. Step 1. Research robo-advisors. Look for platforms that fit your needs, compare their fees, minimum balance requirements, and investment options. Step 2. Define your goals. Are you saving for retirement, a home, or simply to grow wealth over time? Step 3. Start small. Even $20 or $50 a month can make a difference when you invest consistently. Step 4. Automate your contributions. Set up automatic transfers so the AI can manage your investments without needing your constant attention. Step 5. Stay patient. Investing is not about getting rich overnight, it's about building wealth steadily over time. Artificial intelligence investing works best when you give it time to learn and grow with you. Over months and years, the system becomes smarter and adapts to changing market conditions. That's the beauty of machine learning, it improves as it goes. Let's summarize the main advantages of using AI for investing. It saves you time, it removes emotional decision-making, it personalizes your strategy, it helps you diversify, and it's incredibly affordable for beginners. These tools make investing easier than ever before. In fact, studies have shown that investors who use AI-driven platforms often achieve better returns with less stress compared to those who manage everything manually. Another exciting trend is the rise of hybrid investing, where AI and human advisors work together. In this model, the AI handles the data and analytics while human advisors provide personalized guidance and emotional support. This combination gives you the best of both worlds: smart automation and human understanding. Looking ahead, AI investing will only get more advanced. We'll see more tools that analyze environmental, social, and governance data to help you invest according to your values. We'll also see AI systems that detect fraud faster, reduce costs, and offer more transparency in the financial world. The future of investing is data-driven, personalized, and accessible for everyone. But remember, technology is only a tool. The real key to success in investing is discipline. Stay consistent, keep learning, and let AI be your assistant on the path to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Smart Money 101. We post weekly videos about money management, saving, investing, and how AI is changing the financial world. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Comment below and tell us, have you tried any AI investing platforms? Which one has been your favorite so far? We'd love to hear your experiences. And before you go, make sure to check out our next video, AI Budgeting Revolution. How technology helps you save more. It's packed with practical tools you can use right now to take control of your money. Thanks for watching Smart Money 101, where we make money simple, smart, and stress-free. See you in the next video.